resizing, I think it's a good idea because the user might have a like big logo, right? But let me think. So if the, yeah, even I do have like a big size logo for my brand, and I don't want to resize it manually and then upload it. If the app can do that for me, that would be great. But format, do I need that? Yeah, sure, why not? Format, where is it? Automatic resizing. If needed, if you think format conversion is useful, you can implement that too. And what kind of usage tracking are you envisioning? Just generation counts or more detailed metrics like scan tracking? I would like generation counts and scan tracking. 11. What kind of use? Okay, should users see analytics for their individual QR? Yes. Actually, scan tracking, I would like more complex, more detailed metrics. Yes, that is very useful for okay. So what was I saying? Yeah, this analytics for users is useful. If you do add API access later, would this be a separate paid tier? Whatever. Or integrated into existing user system? Let's just not answer that now. And let's see what else we have. We have another set of questions. Good. Now, let's say 4. While Biela is still writing, let's go to Google AI and let's say I want to have a register and login system where the users can register an account, and when they generate a code, a QR code, they will be able to see the QR codes generated by them, update, actually edit or delete them. What else? the users the okay, there must be a role system. The free user can generate a maximum of 3 QR codes and have a maximum of 3 QR codes generated at a time. And if they want to generate more QR codes, they have to upgrade their tier. Yeah. And what else did we say? Let's just go for that. Good. What questions do we have now from Biela? For upgrade path, are you thinking a simple 2-tier system, free versus premium, or multiple? Let's just go for simple 2-tier system. 2-tier system. 2. If we want to add more later, we can do that. But let's just keep it like that for now. Should premium users have unlimited QR codes, or would you set a high let's set a high number of QR codes, because we might add more later on. 3. Any other premium features beyond QR code? Quantity, priority, support, advanced analytics. Advanced analytics? But I don't know who needs this. I don't know. Priority support and priority support. Why not? Even though it's a quite simple system, I don't think there would be like a problem. But why not? What else? Good. How should the system handle when a free user reaches their 3 QR code limit? Should they be able to delete old ones or make room, or must they upgrade? They can delete the old ones, right? Because there is no point, as I said before, there is no point in like making them hold those QR codes, mainly because it might actually be better. I'm thinking that if you have like a lot of free users that are unable to delete their old QR codes, then your server will get full like fast, and there is no point in doing that. Good. Analytics and tracking. For scan tracking, this means you will need to route QR code scans through your system rather than directly to the target. Are you? Not really, to be honest. I'm not comfortable. Let's quit this approach. Actually, I don't care, to be honest. Yeah. 6. What geographic granularity do you want? Country level, city level, country. Okay. Time-based analytics, daily, weekly, monthly breakdowns. Weekly? I think. Yeah, weekly, I think it's good enough. 8. Now, if I said that I'm not comfortable with this approach, Do these questions still matter? I don't think so, but let's keep going with this. Okay. What else? Should there be real-time notifications when... No. No. I actually don't really care, to be honest, about that. About real-time notifications. Okay, sharing and collaboration. Wait, what? What collaboration? I see now what it meant by sharing. Like sharing with other users, like user-to-user sharing. There will be no sharing. And I solved that. Do you have a preference for deployment environment? Cloud platform, self-hosted, specific? Let's see. No preference. Okay. Any preferences for database technical stack, or should I recommend? You can recommend, but let's take Supabase in consideration first. And then last but not least, expecting geographic distribution for your users. No idea. No idea. Now let's see what Google has done. What? Refused to connect. Why? Why? When I try to log in, or I press the... what was it called? Let's save the app first. The generator code, I get this screen. Actually, let's try register. Yeah. When I try to go on any other page, generator, login, or register, I get the error in the image attached. Good, back to Biela. And we have more questions. QR code generation metrics. Okay. Supabase is excellent for this use case. Are you planning to use their auth system? Let's go for this. I want to use their auth system too. Should we leverage Supabase real time for any part of user experience? Yes, even though I might regret that later on. Okay, are you comfortable with Supabase built-in raw level? Yes, sadly yes.